Hi guys, postman's bin. That's the item just there. Yeah. Okay. I'm not actually looking forward to trying to do this. That is a replacement USB socket to go on there. Sony Xperia mobile phone. I do have a hot air soldering iron because there's no way I'll be able to do that with an ordinary soldering iron. Yeah, that's going to be a challenge for my skills, my level of soldering. Not going to do it in this video. This is just a Postbag video. I have to think about that. Need to clean up what was there because I originally cut the old one off. I was trying to cut it up and actually get to the brass tags that are on the plastic there, because I reasoned that if I could get to those brass tags, I'd be able to solder onto them normally, spread them apart and solder onto normally, and put an external lead on it, because I only wanted this to use it as a camera anyway, not to reuse it as an ordinary phone. Yeah. Anyway, trying to take the original one apart didn't work. It basically it ripped itself off the solder tags. So technically possible. Whether I'm physically capable of doing it, we will find out.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.